So what is the 0 of the function? You have r of x is equal to 8/3 times x minus 16, y equals mx plus b. If it is a 0 of the function, you have to think, what's going to be 0? Well, a 0 of the function means that you're going to have the r of x is going to equal 0. So we would do 0 is equal to 8/3 x minus 16. So we're going to solve it for 0. We're going to find out what x is. So we're going to add 16 to both sides. We would get 16 is equal to 8/3 x. And then to get rid of the fraction, we're going to multiply by the 3 times 3. 16 times 3 is 48. That's going to equal to 8x. And lastly, divide both sides by 8. 48 divided by 8 is 6. You get B. That's showing it algebraically. Remember, you could go into y1 and y2 in your calculator, and how would you find it there? What do you think? y1 would be, you'd have to do the parentheses 8 divided by 3 x, sorry, this is so sloppy, minus 16. And then in y2, if it's a 0 of the function, what does it got to be? That's right, it has to be 0. And then when you have two lines in y equals, you can calculate, that would be second trace, number 5, you're going to find the point of intersection. And when y is 0, what is x? And it too will tell you 6. So the second one, how would the graphs of line 1 and line 2 differ in the examples below? Line 1 is f of x is equal to x plus 3. Line 2 says y equals 2 f of x's, twice this, 2 of these. So x plus 3, and then we would have 2 x plus 3. So that would be 2x plus 6. Line 2 would have a greater slope, but the same y-intercept as line 1. Now we have greater slope, but we also have a higher y-intercept, so not that one. Line 2 would have the same slope. Nope. Line 2 would have the same slope. Nope. Line 2 would have a greater slope and a y-intercept than line 1. There it is. So notice here, line 2 is simply 2 of whatever the other f of x is. So that's why I multiplied 2 times x plus 3. Alrighty?